Caught the edge then. Interesting. Ashcombe. That's looks better. Blackbird. Oh, and then we're straight across. Oh, I remember this bit on the video. That's all. In the centre. And all the old stones. Oh, this one then. Yeah, we don't want to go down there. Crikey, that's steep. Well, this is still long lane. It's bloody long, isn't it? Probably view to the left, but I don't think you can see over the hedge. Stuff's been through here then. Ooh. Caught the edge then. It's easy done. Not looking where I'm going. Yeah, well. damn out of a rust. It is a bit of a headache in summer when they're all grown up, isn't it? I doubt it gets chopped back much. So, optimum time really. Strangling. Blackbird. Oh. They fly like that in bursts because they've got very short wings, because they live in the forest, so they need the short wings for greater manoeuvrability. Hence they don't fly a long way because they get a bit tired. There we go. That's more steep here. I haven't got the helmet on, and he looks a bit slidey loose. Right. So, well, what Dean said is don't let the speed build up, you know. That is a long lane, that one. Right, I think I'm turning left now. Right. There's a little cottage. A little lower. Lovely. Well, I think this is interesting. Ashcombe.